Well, our main product is the access platform, the MEWP as it's known in the industry. That machine replaced the industry's normal machine of a 300 kg basket. Now we have a 400 kg basket that does full 360 and it does 8.9 metres outreach and travels over the side. This is a first in the industry. Plus, there was another innovation we had, was a pantograph that records heights and staggers. This before had to be done with a tracked vehicle, which costs a lot of money. This is now just an add-on to the equipment that's on site, so it's a major plus. The biggest plus to this is cost. You could buy 3 machines of our machines to the typical truck-based vehicle that was there before. So the flexibility just to the industry is just unbelievable. The opportunities for rail products was to open new markets up, bring some innovation to the market, one of the companies were looking for. But it wasn't just Scotland, we had the whole of the UK and Europe. For the whole rail industry just now, worldwide, it's a fantastic opportunity. We now have multi-gauge machines, we have machines now that work in 2 and tri-gauge gauges. Are now sold to most of the 20 European countries, as well as New Zealand and Australia. And we're actively now looking at America.
The machine itself has got the integrated pantograph unit on the machine. Now we use that once we've run the wire to check the height and stagger of the machine of the wire. Now we've also got the added advantage of being able to take readings during the process, so we can actually record the data of the actual stagger of the wire height, which comes in useful at the end of the process. It gives us the added advantage of recording the data to give to the client at the end of the job. So we've got a record of exactly what we've done during the shifts. We can pass that on to the client so he can keep the records so we don't have to come back and do things twice. It's up there with the best of them really, because we can do everything with one machine rather than actually having 2 machines on site. So it's actually cost saving as well. The operators themselves find the machine very easy to use. They've got full proportional control with the machine and they're very smooth in the operation itself.
Audio Jungle.